Hey guys, it's Gareth RPM Diecast, and today we're doing the 2024 Neon Speeders mix number 2. This is the third set of Neon Speeders. This is what the first one looks like. I have done the second one actually on my channel. It's all JDM. It's my favorite. I like this one, but that JDM one's my favorite. But yeah, if you want to go check that video out too after. Yeah, Walmart exclusive. They all have the same rims. Some are a little bit colored here and there. Yeah, let's hop right into it. Another thing I wanted to add before I jumped into these is that these are like Hot Wheel has the new system where it's mainline, silver, and gold. Gold being for premium, silver for being like the middle. And these are the same level as that. So they got detailed headlights, detailed taillights. Another thing I like is that, like on the Porsche here and this car, the wings, it's a part of the body instead of being a plastic piece. Kind of looked a little stupid when they used to do those little plastic pieces, but I like that it's all, because then it's all one color, like that GTR I found in the previous video. It has a plastic one instead of it being that dark blue. It's like, it just looks cheap. Anyway, the first car in here is the Porsche 911 GT3 Cup, and all of these are gonna get a close-up. I miss having the close-ups and being able to really see the car, so all these are gonna have close-ups for each car. There's the back. Oh no. There we go. There we go. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna go pop this on the spinner and get some close-ups. The next one is the McLaren F1 GTR. Kind of the same black and pink. The only difference is this one's kind of more of like a satin or a matte black. Well, you'll see in the close-ups, but yeah, really nice. Ooh, that one came off a lot nicer. Really nice. Satin. Again, these all have the same rims. They all have black interiors, I think except for this last car. I think that one's got a gray interior, but goodness. Yeah, this is nice just looking at it, but we'll go pop this on the spinner and then do the next car. The next one is the Ford GT. God, this one's really bright compared to the rest of them. This one might be the brightest. Not my favorite, but the brightest. Although that pink Porsche is super bright too. I like that they put these little details on the wing. Kind of gives it like a highlighter almost. Well, it's like highlighter yellow. It's really nice. Again, headlights, taillights. This Ford logo looks awesome. I don't know if I'll be able to zoom in, but a little bit. You can see it right there. Looks pretty sweet. Of course, I didn't point to it right there. There's the taillights. But I'm gonna go get some up close, and then we will do the next one. Next one is the BMW M3 GT2. These are really good, really goodly packaged. Does that make sense? No. Again, they did the same on this wing too. They put the little accent pieces there. Yeah, we'll go get better close-ups. We're gonna do the next car. The next one is the 2016 Mercedes-AMG GT3. Now this one might be my favorite of this set, and I'm a huge Porsche guy, but this is something magnificent. I think like a lot of these, like that BMW we just saw, it's all over the place. Hold on, let me crack this open. Like this is a lot more unison, I should say, with how the decals are laid out. Like it's not so sporadic. Like this one, for instance, like there's nothing on the back, like on the back here, on the front over here. Which this it's much more unison because it's the same. God, I love that blue and pink. A lot of pink in this set, which I am a huge fan of. Nice AMG there, or Mercedes logo. The headlights. Yeah, we're gonna go get some better close-ups, and then we got 3 left. And then we'll be done. Number 6 is the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. Matte black. Maybe it's satin. I don't know how much this moved because we had a customer, so I quit filming, but yeah, it's this awesome. We have a customer that has this on his car. I'll see if I can get a picture from him to put in here just to show, but that's pretty sweet. I like it's only 2 colors, and it's almost like, I don't know, it's got like a bumpy texture or something on it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got almost like a texture on it. But anyway, I'm gonna go film the up close, and then we'll do the last 2. The next one is the Corvette C7R. Really nice. This one has like watermelon. Reminds me of a watermelon. Pink and green. Man, why do I have so much trouble opening these damn things? There we go. Trying to find a way to hold this. There we go. Also in here. Love the window banners. Love the window banners on that. I think it's only this car and the next one I think that have it. Yeah, but I love these window banners on here. Beautiful. And the Corvette logo too. Awesome. Now, personally, I prefer the C8s. They're, I think, way nicer body style, but still a very nice car. Still a really nice car. This one's one of the ones that have the painted rims. Now, the last car too, it was green chrome rims. But yeah, let's go. I'm gonna go do the close-ups, and then we'll do the. And last one is the Cadillac ATS-V.R. Oh my goodness. Now this is the one that has the gray. It's the only one with the gray interior. The rest are all black. But, well, it's like a light gray, which you'll see. Zoom this in. So you can see that light gray in there. And again, the window banner, love it, love it. Look how thick this is. Oh my lord, holy smokes, gorgeous. Got the Cadillac and a little V on the back there. The grille on this is pretty sweet too. Oh, and the headlights are plastic, so they're not stickers like the rest of them. I don't know if any of the rest are like that. I think the Porsche's like that too. Yeah, the Porsche's also like that, where it's got it's part of the interior part of the casting and not stickers. But yeah. And again, the wing is part of the body, which I love way more than when they were plastic. But again, that's just a personal preference of mine. Some people like it, some people don't. But I'm glad they kind of went away with that. But yeah, I'm gonna go film the last close-up and then we'll end the video. That was the 2024 Mix 2 Neon Speeders from Hot Wheels. Now, this set is gorgeous. I do like the JDM one just a little bit more, just because I do more JDM and stuff, but I love this set. Now, my favorite out of them, again, was this AMG. God, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because of the metallic paint with the... just love it. Just love it. Blue chrome rims. Anyway, that was that set. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna have probably a couple mystery boxes coming up. I have a customer over here that said he's gonna get me one, and then I also have a box of main lines as well I need to open. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, check out some of my other videos, and keep on collecting.